Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, look, today I'm gonna be talking to y'all about some real shit. Alright? It's about a credit card. It's about some credit. You know what I'm saying? What y'all really gotta understand is I'm gonna just go ahead and lay it on the table for y'all young folks, cause I know my channel age range probably about 13 to like 24. Alright, it's about 13 to 24, right? Between that age, probably the demographic is probably mostly black, because I talk a lot about dreads. Like for the last year, I talked about dreads, so most likely black, right? Speaking of that, only thing we know is fucking entertainment. That's the only thing we know, right? We don't know nothing about no credit. We don't know nothing about life insurance. We don't know nothing about nothing. All we know is about basketball, football, entertainment, actor, rapper, right? Which is the real reason why we fucked up, right? We don't know anything about credit, right? So this is what I'm trying to tell y'all young folks. This is what I'm trying to tell y'all young niggas, right? It's not cool to be in the streets. It's not cool to be stupid. It's not cool to be, you know what I'm saying? Nah, don't get it messed up. I was a class clown. You feel me? I wasn't nigga. I was a class clown, but let me tell you something that I can do. I can stand up and I can read in front of people. You know what I'm saying? So I might tell a joke to the teacher, but at the same time she said, alright, you want a joke? Alright, stand up, read to the teacher. Stand up, read to the class. I guarantee I wasn't embarrassed to read to the class. I guarantee I wasn't stuttering over my words. If you stuttering over your words, nigga, you need to go read. You need to go to first grade, go do them alphabets again. You need to go. What I'm basically trying to say is, it's not cool to be ignorant. All right, I'm gonna just leave it at that, right? So let's get into this credit, and I had to lay the foundation for y'all so y'all can really focus during this video, because I know, let's be 100. I know y'all not about to go watch that white man go talk about credit because he bore y'all. He don't have no entertainment. He's not entertaining to y'all. You know what I'm saying? So during this whole video, I'm gonna speak y'all language. You feel me? But let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is how to fix a bad credit, or just how to gain credit, or anything. I'm pretty much laying down the foundation. I'm not no expert. I'm not no financial advisor. I'm not none of that. I'm simply a young nigga who know a little bit of something about credit and trying to educate his young niggas. I'm trying to put them on game, and we trying to help each other. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, and turn on post notifications. Let's get straight into it. How to fix a credit, how to gain credit, how to do all that stuff. First off and foremost, find out your credit score. That's my number one. Find out your credit score, right? So if you're 18, I'm not sure about 17, but I know for sure if you're 18, you need to be doing this shit right now. Go to an app called Credit Karma and find out your credit score. Alright, you need to find out your credit score. Now, me personally, I started off at like a 650. I don't even understand how I started off at a 650. You know what I'm saying? Somebody comment down below how I started off at a 650. I don't know. But I had no credit history. I had nothing on my credit. I had nothing, right? Hold up. I think I had one student loan on my credit, right? I had one student loan on my credit, right? And that's probably why I started off at a 650. I don't know. But if you're 18, get an app called Credit Karma, right? Get that app and acknowledge your credit score. Notice that you have one, okay? If some young niggas around this bitch, they acting like they ain't got nothing. Anyways, so the first step is acknowledging that you have one, finding out your credit score, right? And if your credit score in the 500s, your ass need to do more research, nigga, on me. But number two is get a credit card. Alright, so this is how you build your credit, okay? You build your credit by paying stuff on time, alright? So I'm gonna break it down for y'all. Credit is like, it's almost like street credit, right? You do this, you earn this. Well, on the credit side, you pay back this on time, you earn more credit. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? So think. I think that's all I'm trying to tell y'all. Don't go out here. I don't want to say the whole video. Don't go out here, and this goes into my third point. Don't miss any payments. Okay, don't be out here splurging money that you don't have. Okay, so this is what I do with my credit card. I can only tell y'all from experience, and I can only tell y'all from what I'm doing currently right now. I only buy things, and this goes into my fourth point too. I only pay for things that I can pay for right now. I'm not paying for no Jordans. First off, I don't even buy Jordans. Complete waste of money if you're not flipping them. But I'm not going out here, I'm not splurging my credit card and making minimum payments and trying to keep up with everybody else. With my, like, credit is not meant to be used to keep up with a trend or to keep up with somebody else. Credit is meant to be used as leverage. You get what I'm saying? So if I need to invest in this something right quick, boom. If I need to put in $30 into this company right quick, I'm about to put $30 into my small business right quick, right? But I got the $30, right? I have the $30. So in 30 days, I can pay back the $30. You understand what I'm saying? Like, only pay for stuff that you can pay for right now. If you can't afford it right now, don't be thinking in your head, I'll just make payments on this. Why in the fuck would you want to make payments on a pair of Jordans? Why would you go out there and you spend $300 on your credit card, and probably your credit limit probably not that high anyways? You know what I'm saying? Like me, I'm not about to sit up here and just talk all this shit. I can ask for an increase right now, and I can get another credit card, and sooner or later I will get another credit card. Probably like within the week or so, I'm gonna get another credit card. But right now the credit limit is like $500, right? Because this is my first credit card, whatever, right? So you go out there, you spend $300 on a pair of Jordans, my nigga. That's more than 10%. And if you don't know the rules, this getting into my fifth point, right? If you don't know the rules of the credit game, this getting into my fifth point. Enlighten yourself on credit. Enlighten yourself on your credit card, on your credit scores, how to strengthen up your credit scores, how to do all that type of stuff, right? And the reason I said it's more than 10% because if I go to Credit Karma right now, right, and I use Credit Karma to my dad, shout out to my pops, he actually told me, he's like, man, look, just for a little foundation, go to Credit Karma and like mess around with it. You know how like when you first get a game, you be you know what I'm saying, you mess around with it. So do that with your credit card, right? So it's a thing called credit card utilization. It's a thing called credit utilization, right? So it's a high impact between 0 and 29%. It's a high impact. If you don't know what a high impact is, that goes back into my fifth point. Enlighten yourself on credit. You understand what I'm saying? But it's a high impact between 0% through 29%. So if you go 30% of your credit card utilization and your credit person report that, bruh, you're gonna be in a fucked up position, or your credit score gonna drop. All right. So what I'm basically trying to tell y'all, that the whole point of that conversation was to and I'm in a white tee, my nigga. I ain't trying to act off. I'm speaking y'all language. I'm in my voice. Wait. Alright, let me wrap up this video before I start getting on topic. But the whole point of this is to pay with some gas money before you know what I'm saying, before you start effing up your money, effing up your credit card. Like, pay your little $20 on gas, put your little $20 on your gas tank, go to Chick-fil-A right quick, and you actually get cash back. You actually get depending on what credit card you gain cash back. Like the credit card I got Discover, I gain 2% cash back if I go spend it with Chick-fil-A. If I go spend it with a gas station, with a grocery store, I get 2% back, and any else time I get 1% back. You know what I'm saying? So y'all need to enlighten yourself on credit. It's not cool to be ignorant in this motherfucker. It's not it, cause they really got, I'm telling y'all, these white people, they really got the game. Like they're really up there with the game. Alright, so and I'm just here to educate my people. For me, all this race shit, it ain't no race for me. You understand what I'm saying? I'm just educating the people that look up to me, that subscribe to me. So it really ain't no competition for me, but I'm definitely gonna look out for my people. You feel me? If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button for me down below, turn on post notifications. Catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace.